the hell are you guys doing? This is like a, what, 30,000 shoes right here? And y'all are just like, hello? No one's gonna say shit to me? What's up, everybody? This is Mark from Flavorz here. We are getting the video started. If you read the title, it's called How to Make Money with Your Side Hustle. Now, making money with your side hustle, you can do a lot of different things, a lot of different side hustles. Obviously, you've seen mine. But what we're going to do is we have consigners who dropped off shoes. Kind of want to show you guys the shoes that they brought in. Not all of them or anything like that. I'm going to pick out some that are super, super dope. Also, we're going to go through some of the top shoes that came in the store lately. And if you guys really want to know how to make some extra money selling shoes in 2022, follow along with this video the whole time. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll make you some money.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
So, you know what, I'm about setting up a video, coming back to grab some shoes, seeing if the employees are working. We have dipshit back here. Dipshit. Look at what this dude is doing.
Bro, we're playing Jenga.
Yeah, this is 30. Hey, there's your thumbnail. $30,000 Jenga.
$30,000 Jenga. No, we're getting shelved because we are running out of space because we have been blessed with more shoes and we are expanding so much where we are running out of space everywhere in here and out there.
Bro.
So we're getting more shelves.
We started the store with 180 pairs, and 75 pairs of those were consignment shoes.
We need more room.
We're blessed. Thank you guys so much. Now, you guys have been hitting me up for in the DMs too. I'm sorry if I've been slow about getting out the consignment paperwork and the overview for you, but throw us your shoes. Here in the market, the closest resale store to me is 3 hours away, over 200-300 miles. We're gonna go here, we're gonna be in Fargo. When we get in Fargo, North Dakota, the closest store is gonna be 6 hours. It'll be us. You know what I mean? That'll be the next closest store. So if you guys, you know, if you send shoes off someplace and it's taking a while to sell or do whatever, send them here. We'll get you out the paperwork, consign your shoes with us. You know, leave it to the pros, baby. We'll sell those shoes for you. All right, so I got 3 pairs that the consigners brought, and I'm gonna be real. Like, maybe I'm blowing it up over the top or whatever, but like, these are shoes that I dig. I think they're dope, and they sell really well in the store. This box, 19, was a 1985 Dunk High box. This is a super cool box. If you know, you know. Watch, don't check these out. These do really well for us. These are moved like crazy. I really like this shoe. Coppers are out. Would you wear this?
Cop it for Halloween. And then
Halloween? What are you gonna be, Freddy Krueger?
That's how it look.
Damn, that's tough. That's tough. You know what I mean? So we had a couple of these.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
No, he took the laces out on the side. He said he liked the way that looked that way. I get it. These are DS completely. Let's do games. These go. Those are my 3 favorite shoes that the consigners brought in. You know, not too crazy. I mean, the Flu games are pretty dope, and then, you know, like some general release stuff. I like the 85 acid wash dunks. I think they're really cool. So the title of the video, the reason why you guys clicked on this is like how to make your side hustle your main hustle, how to make money selling shoes, how to do all that. I've got a lot of videos on that, but if you, let's say you got what, like 200 bucks right now, you have 300 bucks right now, you got your taxes coming back, so you're gonna have some more money even, right? And you want to pay your bills off, get everything caught up, and then everybody wants like that crypto you're gonna go into or something like that. I'm going to show you a couple things that you could do right now, how to make a little bit extra money, how you can even buy a few pairs of shoes, send them to me, we sell them for more, get your money back, you flip it, you do it again, you flip it, you do it again, you flip it, you do it again. But let's say, Mark, I've got like $100. What do I do? Mark, I've got $200. What do I do? Let's figure this out. So keep following along right here. I'm going to show you something crazy. All right, start with the crazy part first. Hey, we're filming a video. I'm working. Think about it this way. If you're sitting with shoes in inventory that you haven't been able to push for a while too, or just stuff that you've got, right? And you're only able to sell so many because you're, you can only reach so many people if you got Instagram, Facebook, any of that stuff, right? And it's just a side hustle for you, right? But your side hustle will become a main hustle if you push it out to people like me, other consignment shops in the area. But if you're in this area, might as well bring it to me because one, we sell more shoes than anybody in this area, in South Dakota. By far, you know, and as far as that goes it's because of the location I'm in, right? And the reason why I sell so many is because everybody has been bringing shoes to me. It's a two-way street. There's no way I'd be able to sell as many shoes as I am if it wasn't for the amount of sneakers coming into the shop. So that's crazy. Now you want to say, hey Mark, I've got $100. I've only got $100. What do I do? I've got $200. Go online. Get a white Air Force One. Yeah, white Air Force Ones. They're selling for $90 right now. Buy one. Wait till you have another 100, or just keep that one. These shoes are reselling for $120 to up to $200 where you're at. In my shop, they're marked higher because especially in our area, you can't get them. I have a hard time even going on Nike and get them. So if you're in an area where you can get Air Force Ones and do stuff like that, get it because I can make you money on that. And then you can get another one. I can make you more money on that. You got a $100 bill, go buy an Air Force One. Show me a picture of an Air Force One all white. This shoe has been the craziest shoe right now. It's been insane. This is what people want. Oh, here's the crazy part. I'm going to show you guys what consigners have made in the shop, right? I've been open for 5 months, going on our 6th month. I'm going to show you a couple guys who have been with me since the day I opened, and then people who just gave me their shoes in December, right? So like last month. They've been, the person who's been with me the least amount of time, I'd say, is Owen. And he gave me shoes. Sorry to throw you out here like this, Owen, but I'm going to show people what you made, so I hope you feel comfortable with it. But I'm going to show you this, and this is the crazy part. And then after that, when we were talking about, hey, I only got $100, I only got $200, I'm going to show you something more crazy with that. So right here, right, this is Owen. So Owen's got a lot of shoes, right? So he's brought in, I would say, 100 and some pairs to me, let's say. Sale price of all his shoes right now that he's brought in. Now, granted, this is not how everybody starts. So he gave me his shoes in December. When they all sell, he'll be owed $36,165. 1 month of his shoes being in the store, we owe him $4,618.50. Now think about this for a second. 1 month. Now, and yesterday we sold a bread for and another really high-end shoe for him too. So he's probably around $500 to $5,500. He's 18 years old. All right, 18. So it doesn't matter how old you are, what you got going on. I'm 35. You know what I mean? So young, old, doesn't matter. I think the only time you should probably pack it up and call it a day is when you're about 75, because Colonel Sanders started KFC in his 70s. So, now here's on a smaller end of somebody. This is one of my employees. He only has 1, 2, 3. Let's see exactly how many shoes. So on lines, he's got about what, 22 pairs, right? So he gave me his shoes 3 weeks ago. When his shoe sells, he will make $6,050. And right now he's owed $1,152. That's a smaller end, right? So what I'm trying to say to you guys is, especially I know who watches my content. It's people with sneakers. It's people who like shoes, sell shoes, resellers, all that stuff. Just because you send me shoes to consign for you doesn't mean you're gonna stop doing what you're doing. It doesn't mean that you can stop selling shoes or any of that stuff. All I'm trying to say is if you got a bunch of pairs, you might as well consign some with me and keep doing what you're doing. You know what I mean? Because why wouldn't you try to eat everywhere? We're selling a high volume amount of shoes, right? And if you can still sell some on your Instagram, Facebook pages, do whatever, keep doing that. And then bring some over here, and that way you're constantly 7 days a week someone's going to work for you to sell the shoes. All right, so let me show you my largest consignor. Again, we opened in August. We had slow months, kind of like, not really slow months, but August, September, October, November, those are slower months. You know what I mean? People go right back to school. August is big because back to school shopping. This guy's been here with me since day one. Now look at this. A lot of people like to use it almost as a savings account as well, but cover that name. I know he doesn't want to be known, but he's made $34,728 in the 5 months that I've been open. After Christmas and everything was over, he took a check for $2,500 and the remaining balance of $9,148. The check that I have to cut him now. $35,000 this man made, literally in 5 months of me being open. Then he's got still over probably 80 pairs of shoes with more coming, right, on his sheet. That means $35,000 in 5 months plus another $35,000 in another month. What math? Amazing. $75,000 with 2. He's probably gonna make a total of 85 grand this year consigning shoes with me. He's done zero work other than here you go, and we go to work for him. We wrap them. I put pictures on Instagram. I go crazy. That's how I can go to work for you. That's how you make the money. That's how you make a side hustle or main hustle. That's how you can make money on the side. I've shown you it. I've seen what's going on. You guys seen the back room. You've seen me go from 180 pairs to, you thought I was going to say it, didn't you? You thought I was going to say it. In the comments down below, let me know how many shoes did we grow to. And the closest person to the answer, the correct answer, we will cash app you $50.